Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin a chat on Telegram desktop. If you have many conversations in your Telegram account, it can sometimes be difficult to quickly find the chats that you use most often. Telegram allows you to pin important chats to the top of your chat list. This makes it much easier to access your favorite or most important conversations whenever you need them. So let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look at the chat list on the left side of the window. Now find the chat that you want to keep at the top of your chat list. You can pin a personal conversation, a group, or another chat that you frequently use. Once you find the chat, right-click on it. A menu with several options will appear. From this menu, look for the pin option. Click on Pin to pin the selected chat. Telegram will now move the chat to the top of your chat list. This means the chat will remain easy to find, even when you receive new messages in other conversations. Pinning a chat is especially useful for important conversations that you want to access quickly. You can also pin multiple chats if you want to keep several important conversations at the top of your chat list. If you ever want to remove a chat from the pin section, simply right-click on the pinned chat, then select the Unpin option. The chat will no longer remain pinned at the top of your chat list. And that's how you can pin and unpin chats on Telegram desktop. This simple feature can help you organize your conversations and quickly access the chats that matter most to you. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.